Hello everyone, welcome back to Fluence. Today, we're diving into the world of CPA marketing, a revenue model where you can earn money without selling anything or even having a website. Intriguing, right? So, let's dive right in, shall we? First things first, what exactly is CPA marketing? CPA, or cost per action, is a form of affiliate marketing where you get paid for getting people to take a specific action. Unlike other forms of marketing that require a purchase for you to earn, with CPA, it could be as simple as a person entering their email address. Here's how it works. Advertisers will pay you each time a potential customer carries out an action connected to their promotion. This could be anything from filling out a form, signing up for a trial, or even just clicking on a link. The beauty of CPA marketing is its simplicity. There's no need for a hard sell or convincing someone to part with their hard-earned cash. All you need to do is drive traffic towards the offer and get people to complete an action. Now that we understand what CPA marketing is, let's move on to how you can utilize it for profit. Here's the game plan for making money with CPA marketing. First, we're going to find offers that solve problems and incentivize signups. High demand equals high profit. Second, we'll create a landing page using a free tool like Canva. This page will host multiple offers, maximizing your potential earnings per visitor. Next, we'll dive into 10 different ways to drive traffic to your offers without spending a dime on ads. We're talking about free traffic here, folks. And for those who are tech savvy, we'll explore how AI tools can help create content for your traffic sources. Lastly, we'll apply the 80-20 rule for reinvestment. Keep 80% of your profits and reinvest 20% back into your marketing efforts. This helps to scale your reach and compound your earnings. Sounds simple enough, right? Let's break it down further. The first step is to find profitable offers. In the world of CPA marketing, an offer is profitable when it solves a problem and incentivizes signups. But where do you find these offers? There are several marketplaces that specifically cater to CPA offers. Offer networks like CPA.com are an excellent place to start. These networks connect advertisers with affiliates, providing a variety of offers across multiple niches. It's like a one-stop shop for all things CPA marketing. Another great source is free sign-up platforms like OfferVault. OfferVault is a search engine for affiliate offers, aggregating thousands of opportunities across the web. It's an excellent resource for beginners, as it not only provides access to offers, but also industry news and training. Mobile apps like TapMob are also worth exploring. With their user-friendly interfaces, these apps allow you to browse and select offers on the go, making it easier than ever to get involved in CPA marketing. When choosing your offers, be sure to select at least 5. This not only diversifies your portfolio, but also increases your earning potential. Remember, the more problems you can solve, the more actions you can incentivize. Once you've selected your offers, store their links in a safe place. You'll be using these links to create your landing page and drive traffic. One pro tip before we move on, always read through the offer details carefully. Ensure you understand the payout structure, the action required, and any geographical or demographic restrictions. The last thing you want is to promote an offer only to find out it doesn't apply to your target audience. To sum up, finding profitable offers is all about research, selection, and attention to detail. It's about identifying what problems your audience faces and what actions they're willing to take. It's about finding the sweet spot between high payouts and high conversion rates. Once you have your offers, the next step is to get traffic, but we'll save that for the next scene. For now, start hunting for those profitable offers. The world of CPA marketing awaits. Now, let's talk about how to get free traffic. Traffic, or the flow of visitors to your landing page, is the lifeblood of any CPA marketing campaign. Without traffic, even the most enticing offer won't convert. But don't worry, you don't need to spend a dime on ads to get high-quality traffic. Here are 10 ways to do just that. First, there's YouTube. You can create informative or entertaining videos relevant to your offers and include your offer links in the video description. Remember, your content should always provide value first. Then there's TikTok. Make short, engaging TikToks and link to your landing page in your bio. If you're comfortable, you can even use AI tools to create content. And did you know that TikTok has a creator fund? You can earn just by posting. Next up is Twitter. Crafting engaging threads can attract followers who are interested in what you have to offer. Instagram is also a powerhouse for traffic. You can build a themed page and link to your landing page in your bio and posts. Facebook groups are another great place to share your offers. Just make sure to follow the group's guidelines and always add value to the community. Medium is a platform where you can write blog articles related to your offers and include your links naturally within the content. Steemit offers a similar concept, but with a twist. Not only can you publish articles and include your links, but you can also get paid for views. Pinterest is another fantastic platform. You can create giveaway pins with links to your landing page. Finally, there's Imgur, where you can share eye-catching content with your landing page link in the description. Remember, the key to driving traffic is to always provide value. Whether you're creating a YouTube video, a TikTok, or writing a blog post, ask yourself, what's in it for them? If you're providing value, the traffic will come. And when the traffic comes, so will the conversions. Also, don't limit yourself to just one source of traffic. Diversify. The more sources of traffic you have, the more chances you have to convert. In the next section, we'll be looking at how to create a landing page for free. But for now, take some time to explore these platforms and see which ones resonate with you the most. With these traffic sources, you can start driving people to your offers. And remember, in CPA marketing, traffic equals money. So start exploring these platforms today and watch your earnings grow. Next, you'll need a landing page. But don't fret, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We're going to create a free landing page using Canva. Canva is an easy-to-use design tool that allows you to create eye-catching landing pages without any coding skills. First, head over to Canva and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, search for landing page in the templates section. You'll find numerous pre-made templates to choose from. Pick one that aligns with your brand and the offers you've chosen. Now, customize your chosen template. Insert your CPA offer links, add compelling images, and write persuasive texts. Make sure everything on the page motivates the visitor to click on your offer. Save your design when you're satisfied. Canva will provide a unique link for your landing page. Use this link to promote your offers on various traffic platforms. And there you have it, your very own landing page without needing a website. Now that you have all the pieces, it's time to put it all together. Start by choosing your traffic platforms. You can opt for one or a combination of Imgur, Medium, TikTok, and others depending on your audience and comfort level. Next, it's all about promoting your landing page. Use eye-catching content to grab attention. This could be Canva designs, engaging articles, or even short, snappy videos. Make sure your content is valuable and relevant to your audience. If you're comfortable with it, consider using AI tools to assist with content creation. Just be cautious and avoid potential issues like a Medium shadow ban. Finally, track your results. Keep an eye on your conversions and adjust your approach if needed. Test different offers, platforms, and content types to see what works best for your audience. And finally, let's talk about how to grow your earnings. Once you start making money, it's important to reinvest for growth. This is where the 80-20 rule comes into play. This rule, also known as the Pareto principle, suggests that 20% of your efforts can lead to 80% of your results. In the context of CPA marketing, it means reinvesting 20% of your profits back into your marketing efforts. This could be improving your landing page, exploring paid advertising, or even investing in AI tools to create more engaging content. The key is to focus on actions that can magnify your results and drive more traffic to your offers. Remember, the goal isn't just to make money, but to grow it. The 80-20 rule ensures that you're not just earning, but also scaling your efforts for long-term success. And that's how you can make money with CPA marketing without a website. Thanks for watching.